This story is called Bread for Tea. Wren and Mum tied on their soft aprons. In the quiet kitchen. The big bowl was on the counter. Flour was ready beside it, soft and pale in the afternoon light. Mum poured a little warm water into a jug, slowly and carefully. Wren watched every drop with wide eyes. "Slowly," said Mum. "Baking likes gentle hands, and we have plenty of time today." Together they tipped the flour into the bowl. Round and round went the wooden spoon. Soft dough began to gather, sticky and pale, while Mum smiled beside Wren and kept the bowl steady. A soft puff of flour drifted up into the air. Wren blinked, then smiled. Mum wiped her nose gently with a clean cloth. "Oops," she whispered. "Still cosy. Still baking." Mum covered the bowl with a clean cloth and patted it once. "Not ready yet," she said softly. "Dough needs quiet time to grow. Waiting is part of baking bread for tea." They washed their floury hands at the sink side by side. Soft afternoon light came through the kitchen window. Wren stood quietly with Mum and waited a little longer. Outside, a little robin rested for a moment in the soft light. Wren peeked under the cloth, just a little, with Mum close beside her. The dough looked bigger now. "See?" said Mum. "Waiting helped. The dough was busy while we were still." Mum showed Wren how to press the soft dough with open palms. "Gently," she said. Soft hands pressed, and the dough sank a little under their palms. "Good," whispered Mum. "That is enough for now." They shaped a small loaf together on the counter, rolling and patting with careful hands. Soft hands. Soft dough. The little loaf looked ready to rest before the warm oven. Wren washed her hands again until they felt clean and cool. Mum wiped the counter clean and tidy. "Almost time for the oven," Mum said warmly. "We are nearly there." Mum brushed a little milk on top of the loaf until it shone. Carefully into the warm oven it went. Wren stayed close beside Mum, watching, safe and still. They sat nearby and waited without rushing. The kitchen began to smell like baking bread. The air felt warm and gentle, soft as a blanket on a quiet afternoon at home. "Not ready yet. Almost," said Mum, listening with her head tilted. Wren listened too and smiled a little smile. Waiting was part of baking, and Mum was right there with her. Mum opened the oven door carefully, with Wren a safe step behind. The bread was golden and warm. "Ready to cool," she said with a soft smile. "Look how lovely it is." They set the loaf on the kitchen table to cool. In the middle of the board, waiting a little longer. The bread needed time to settle before tea could begin. Mum brought butter and a little jam for tea and set them gently down. 2 plates were on the table. Afternoon light felt soft and kind around their quiet kitchen. Mum sliced the warm bread carefully, one soft piece and then another. They shared toast together, crunchy and gentle. "Bread for tea," said Wren, and Mum nodded happily beside her. "Ready now," said Mum, and they sat close at the table together. Warm toast. Quiet smiles. Waiting had made something lovely, and sharing made it even better for tea. That's the end of our story for today. The bread was baked, and tea was shared. Until next time, little ones.